Hello friends, today I come to you with a request to a cause very dear to all of us, our future, our children. India, as you all know, suffered a deadly second wave of COVID-19 earlier in the year. Children were the most impacted by this pandemic. Close to 30,000 children have lost a single parent and more than 3,000 have lost both their parents. These are children who are coming from families below the poverty line, i.e. with less than $1 a day. That puts them in a very vulnerable situation, and obviously they have, with their limited means, a very dark future. SOS Children's Villages is an NGO active in over 135 countries since the Second World War, solely dedicated to the cause of protecting and providing for children. I had a good conversation with the representatives and I trust the work they do. Together with SOS Belgium, European and SOS Indian chapters, we are coming together to raise resources for supporting 30 such affected children who have suffered the loss of one or both of their parents and faced with extreme poverty and a dark future. What is this fundraising actually for? As you know, it's been widely recognized that the best care and the best chances of developing the potential of a child is in a family environment. The SOS Children Villages of India has developed a kinship program, and in this program, children without parents are taken care full-time until they become independent, self-reliant by their kin or relatives. The monies we raise through this initiative will provide support for the child's most basic needs, i.e. food, education, both the formal and the informal one, health and clothing. The children will be under the regular follow-up and under the watch of the SOS volunteers, the co-workers and the centers until they become independent. To support 30 children for 1 year, we need 41,300 euros or approximately 1,400 euros per child per year. The fundraise will help to support their needs for the next 1 year. Your contribution coming from either Belgium, France, Netherlands, Germany, Italy, UK, the UAE or India can be made locally, so there is tax deduction in all these countries available. You can find the bank account numbers in the video below. Finally, friends, I believe the greatest gift one can give someone is education. Education will give these children the means to be independent, the tools to contribute to society, and most importantly, the hope that their tomorrow will be better than their today. Together, we have an opportunity to kindle a brighter future for these 30 children in need. When we rise up, when we stand up to support them, they will grow, they will flourish, and the darkness will be overcome. We, SOS Children's Villages and myself, will be most grateful for any help you could provide us, and we thank you for your support. Namaste.